The following is a public access program. Views and
this is my show.
These vehicles, I have no idea what these are or how they got here. We're just gonna keep them. I think they're squatting here because they have nowhere else to go, so. And this is our 2012 BOSS 302. We call this one Orange Car. Hey everybody, thank you for joining us. Welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, let me quickly run down the project vehicles that we are working on. Say hi, Dad. Say hi. There you go, nice glove. This is our 981 Porsche GT4. We have our 2019 Shelby GT350R. We lovingly call Ruby Red R. I don't know what those are. And this is our 2012 BOSS 302 track ready vehicle. Super excited. You'll never believe what came in the mail today from Fabspeed. A GT450 race combination exhaust intake plenum and tune from Fabspeed. This is the GT450 package. We have free flowing exhaust in here with the IPD intake plenum. We have the Cobb access port for the tune that's going to be coming, and we are going to be running this on E85. And I don't think Phil at Fabspeed was expecting that. I think he wanted to have this tuned right around 91 octane, which is what's available in California, but we said no, no, no. 91's not good enough. We need E85 because we've got that bad boy right there on E85. E85 is fun, right? I mean, let's just face it, obviously, highly recommended. The GT450, I believe these are Catless headers, but let's double check. Free-flowing exhaust. Free-flowing exhaust package from Fabspeed Motorsport. From Fabspeed Motor, the GT450 package from Fabspeed Motorsport for our Porsche 981 GT4. Okay, let's start with the IPD intake plenum. This will be the new intake plenum for the GT4. All right, Dad, rip into it.
We got this Pep Boys.
Oh yeah, Pep Boys usually has these in stock.
Yep.
Yep.
Pep Boys.
Right next to the spark plugs and the fuses.
Boy, look,
wow.
Look at that. Totally cool. Totally.
Wow. Very nice.
Wow. What do we have in this little thing?
Look at that.
Look at this.
Wow, look at that. That is a beast. Let's see that. There's a nice Made in the USA sticker. Very nice.
Patent pending by Trailing Ponies. Tracking
Ponies. Definitely not.
You got Tracking Ponies.
Definitely not patent pending by Tracking Ponies. Definitely not.
There's something.
Sorry,
in there,
IPD.
we're gonna leave this in
We're
here.
just joking. It's not a poster, guys. This is definitely not a poster. IPD air conditioning replacement bracket bolt. Okay, this is the GT450 package from Fabspeed Motorsport.
Oh, it was Tracking Ponies.
No. They shipped it to Tracking Ponies. No.
That's what it
We
is.
definitely didn't manufacture this, Dad.
That's what it
we
is.
don't have the time, skills, experience,
I gotta talk to Phil.
finances,
about that. Phil
patience,
told me I could say it.
determination. We have none of those things to manufacture this exhaust.
Woo! Look at that. Woo!
Wow.
Here a T-shirt. We got.
Thank you, Phil, for the
Thanks,
T-shirts.
Phil. Look at the welding. Is that beautiful? Is that beautiful?
Handmade.
Good stuff.
All handmade.
Do we have to assemble this ourselves?
Apparently so.
We have to assemble that. Let's see what's in here. Should we take out the filter or leave that alone?
Yeah,
Well, this will fit on the Focus.
definitely not fitting on a 2005 Focus. The exhaust gaskets.
It's got everything in here. Wow, this is a complete kit. This really is.
Wow, those are beautiful headers.
This is my show.
You guys, this is serious stuff right here. This Fabspeed Motorsport.
Catless headers, yes, I said it, catless headers. If you're wondering, yes, we do live in California. We'll discuss that later.
It says packaged by Matthew Sabin. Matthew, thank you very much. You packaged this incredibly well. Everything came perfectly safe. Thank you very much. And Jason, we received on the memo that you inspected the goods before they were shipped. Thank you, Jason. And of course, thank you, Phil. Phil's your friend. Stop
Phil.
it. You know Phil.
My new best friend.
Phil's your new best friend.
Oh, more color.
Hardware. Very careful. Wow. Gorgeous.
Look at the tips.
Wow, look at that.
Look at those tips.
Carbon fiber tips. Thank you again, Phil, for sending the Fabspeed GT450 package. We are so excited to get it installed on the GT4. We finished off the day with installing the rear tow hook, as our GT4 will see a lot of track time. There actually was enough time left in the day to start the Sliplo install on the GT350R. We got about halfway through and got 2 rows done. While we were at it, we installed our ZL1 add-ons jack points, or lift pads. These will help protect the pinch welds on the GT350R when we have to jack up the car at the track or here at the garage. We are very grateful for the opportunity to try out the Fabspeed GT450 package on the GT4. Subscribe to the channel. You do not want to miss what we're going to do to this Porsche 981 GT4. Not to mention the exciting builds and time attack trials we have coming up with the Boss 302 and plenty of content coming with our GT350R. Thank you again for watching and joining us on this journey as we take our race cars to racetracks and share our experiences with you. Notify the subscribe button and like the notification bell.
Is a public access program and does not is a public access program and is a public this cable station and does
You know what, Nerdball.
is a public access program and does
You know what, Nerdball. You know what,